Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making extra soft paratha. Very fond of paratha. And to start, just take your all-purpose flour in a large bowl, then add salt, mix them together, and then I'm using a wooden spoon because I'm using boiling hot water. Yes, right from the kettle. So make sure you don't use your hand because obviously it's boiling hot. So keep mixing until you get a very nice and soft dough. But in a while you will see that the dough will not that hot, so that you can use your hand and keep mixing. Now you can see how soft is the dough, and by pressing it by hand you can see the differences in the dough. So the dough is ready. All I'm gonna do is now cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes, maybe half an hour. You can just let it rest, extra rest, so it's better. So now the dough was resting for about half an hour. Uncover and start making little balls or loya. And then obviously you're going to use your palm to flatten the dough a little bit. Add some dry flour, and by flattening the dough with your palm, it helps to roll it easily. So now I'm just going to roll the dough and then brush with some oil, and I am going to fold it into paratha shape, which is fold one side and the other, and then I'm gonna fold the left to the right. And then in the same time you want to make sure you press it so that it can stick to each other. So make all the squares first, and then we're gonna start rolling into the second step, which we have to roll 2 times in the paratha. So again, use a palm and press all the edges, and then press down again. Add dry flour if needed, and then just keep rolling until you get a nice size and good thickness, not too thick, not too thin, as paratha should be. In the meantime, you can preheat your tawa over medium-high heat. Brush the tawa with oil just 1 time, and then place your paratha. When the paratha get bubbles on top, then you're gonna brush with oil and flip it over, and now you can see how beautiful, gorgeous is a paratha looking. Brush the top with oil as well, and this is how you get a nice paratha, very soft. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe.